You are going to love the 2023 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, Wi-Fi, hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, dual seat cushion. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.